Hello everybody, so today I want to do about ASVAB. The topic today is about time. In here, I would just use a real example to illustrate in the question. It takes Kyle 14 minutes to read one page of his book. Kyle has 8 pages to read and he began reading at 3:48 p.m. At that time, will he finish reading the 8 pages? So we have A, B, C, D. In the question, we can see that this person read about 14 minutes for one page. And in the book, we have 8 pages. So this one is very simple. We just use 14 minutes multiply with 8 pages. So we have the total minutes to finish reading a book. To do this multiplication, we just put like this. Here I will show you how to do multiplication. 8 multiplied 4 is 32. And 8 go to 1 is about 8. So we got about 112. So that is the first step. In here, we know that 1 hour is about 60 minutes. So in here, in about 112, we got about 60 minutes and 52 minutes. We separate two numbers together. In here, we convert 60 minutes back to 1 hour because when we do like this, we can sum this number very simple. So right now we have 3:48 p.m. We have 3 hours and 48 minutes. So we separate them in here. So in here we have 1 hour. So we'll have 1 hour in this one. 52 minutes in here. Now we sum together. 3 plus 1 is about 1 hour. 48 plus 52 is about 100 minutes. We know that in the 100 minutes, we still separate them with 60 minutes and 40 minutes. And in the 60 minutes, we convert to 1 hour again. And we have 40 minutes left. Right now, we move 1 hour in this area, go in here. So we have 4 plus 1 is about 5 hours. This one converts to 40 minutes. So that's after 112 minutes on the top one. He will finish at 5:40 p.m. So the answer for the question is about D. This is the step by step how to sum the time in here to the real time when they provide for you. So this is the step by step how to sum the time by time. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching.